Hi students, last two sessions we discussed about what is history and what are the sources we need to create a history. Okay, in this class we are discussing about how is Indian history created and who are the peoples they given contribution. Okay, now till 16th century we don't know what is history and what is our history, means Indian history we don't know. We are remembering till 16th century only Puranas. What are the things happened that on Vedas period? Not only the Vedas period, we are already knowing Upanishad or Puranas. What are the things happened? That much only we are knowing. Otherwise, we don't know who are the kings they ruled or what are the dynasty ruled by Indian kingdom. These are the matters we don't know. After 16th century, when Europeans came to India, after only we got about the information about Indian history. So that means who are the peoples they given contribution? First of all, in European countries, who are the peoples they came? Especially Jesuit, means missionary groups. They only first created by Indian history. When they came missionaries means who are Europeans, they came to India to convert Hindu peoples as a Christian religion. They only first created by Indian history. Okay, in that, in one of the first person they came, person name is Heinrich Ruth. He settled in Agra and he also given some of the contribution about Indian history. Okay, another one person also, person name is Father Cavourdux. He also came in India and he also settled in India and he also given contribution about Indian history. What was the contribution they given? They given what are the things or books they got in Sanskrit language, they translated in other European language. For example, I already said, first of all, first person came, person name is Heinrich Ruth. He translated Sanskrit books to Latin languages. So what are the things they translated? The Indians, what are the things they following? Beliefs or traditions, or their following method or rituals, practice. This only they translated to European languages. Okay, next. Afterwards, they came another one person. The person name is they given after the Cavourdux. Next, British, they become a powerful in India. You already knowing, you are studying in 5th standard, that also information. For example, Battle of Plassey and then Battle of Buxar and 1857 struggle. You already discussed how the British they war against Indians and how they won the battle and how they settled. These are the information we discussed in 5th standard. Okay, after when they settled in India, they thought that British, without people's knowledge, means without understanding the peoples, we cannot live in India. So they searching or they discover how is Indian history created, how is people they came to India, how they practicing these other rituals are practiced. They discovered, they studied. When they studied, here one of the important person came, is only real maker of Indian history. That person name is here Sir William Jones. He given so much of contribution about Indian history. Okay, here they given, he started by one of the important society. The society name is Ascetic Society in 1784. When he started in this society, Ascetic Society, in this based only, he studied all over Indian history. How the peoples they came, who are the kingdom here they dominated, or how they came, what was the practice the peoples they following. These are the matters he studied and written in books. Not only this one, he is a multi-language expert. He knowing so much of language, India's language. You already knowing. Because of India, they are not speaking any one language. You already knowing. Each by state peoples they living different types of languages. He knowing multi-language person and he translated so many of books, important books. One of the important book is Gita Govinda. Second one Manava Dharma Shastra, and another one also coming Kalidasa's Shankuntala. In these books is in original language is Sanskrit. He translated in this book to English. Okay, next afterwards another one person came. That person name is Max Muller. He also given contribution. He also translated some of the books regional language to English. And another one person came. That person name is here they given James Mill. He also translated books and he written one of the important book. That book name is History of India. Like 6 editions he written about history of India. And next, another one important person came. That person name is Abbe Dobais. Who is Abbe Dobais? Is a French missionary. I already said it. Missionaries means is a religious peoples who are came to convert it to peoples to Christian religion. That peoples we are calling as a missionaries. He came and he settled in India. And how the lifestyle of Abbe Dobais means like Indian peoples, how they life they move, that like only he also lived in India. So that's why given peoples they given another name for him. That name is Dodda Swami, because of he followed their traditions, rituals, not only this one practice, and what was the festivals they followed, same that festivals or that lifestyle only he also adapted in our life. Okay, next, and he lived in India 24 years. After he went once again French, and he also given contribution. I already said is one of the important person. And next, afterwards there are some of the important peoples also came. One by one I'll say names: Elephant Stone, Coles, Brooke, and next one here came persons: Cole, Wilkins, Mackens, B.L. Rice, Flett, and other Europeans. They also came in India, and they researched about Indian history, and they also given contribution. Not only this one, contemporary society. In that based, not only they discussed about only the Indian history, they discussed each by each state also, and they studied. Now we already knowing our Karnataka also have own history, same that like only neighbor state also. For example, Andhra or Telangana, Maharashtra, Kerala or Tamil Nadu. All the state have their own history. So these peoples, they not only studied about Indian history, contemporary society means in that time, who are the peoples they ruled in other state in regional places, that about also they discussed and they studied and they written in history. In that based Indian history or Karnataka history created by historians. This only matters we are studying in this lesson. First of all, you want to know till 16th century we don't know, we not have history. After when the French or Europeans they came, after only we knowing about what is our Indian history. Missionaries first of all they came, Heinrich Roth. When they came Heinrich Roth, after we knowing another one person came, Sir William Jones is the Indian studied, is a real history maker of India. He only given more contribution. After Abbe Dobais, he also given more contribution. He lived 24 years and he also he translated so many books Sanskrit to English. These like when peoples, Europeans, they arrived to India, after only we created our history. This only today's lesson. Next class we discuss about next lesson. Okay? Any doubts you can ask. Okay? Bye.